If you're dealing with delayed payments, claim denials, or just want to streamline your revenue cycle, these 3 tips will help you get back on track. Let's dive in. First, automate wherever you can. Use software to handle repetitive tasks like billing, coding, and claim submissions. This reduces errors, saves time, and speeds up payments. Automation is a game changer. Next, invest in regular training for your team. Keep them updated on the latest coding standards, compliance rules, and best practices. A well-trained team means fewer mistakes and faster reimbursements. Finally, track your performance. Keep an eye on metrics like denial rates, days in accounts receivable, and collection rates. This helps you spot problems early and take action before they become bigger issues. By automating processes, training your team, and monitoring key metrics, you can transform your revenue cycle management. Call us at 210-901-9565, email us at info@rcmexperts.us.